Hello everyone, welcome to Emerge Kenya TV. Thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate you so much and welcome to a world of boundless possibilities in commercial real estate. Today we unveil two exceptional living spaces designed to inspire creativity and elevate your lifestyle. We take you on a tour of the perfect canvas for students living near the Cooperative University of Kenya, the Jkuat Karen Campus, the Catholic University, and also the Kenya School of Law. These newly constructed apartments are located on Gataka Road, near Karen, and also near Rongai. They have two choice of apartments. On the ground level are the studio apartments, also known as bed sitters, and from the first floor all the way up are the one-bedroom apartments. First on our journey is the cozy and cost-effective studio apartment or the bed sitter, which is perfect for socializing, relaxing, or even studying. The spacious and well-lit room provides ample space for your creativity to thrive. It's a blank canvas where you can design your ideal living space. The large window lets in plenty of natural light, keeping your space bright and vibrant. The bathroom is both modern and functional, with everything you need to start your day fresh and focused. The attached kitchenette ensures you have all the essentials at your fingertips. Prepare your meals, brew the perfect cup of tea or coffee, or have friends over for a cozy dinner. Beyond the apartment, you'll find convenient amenities to make your life easier. They have water throughout, secure parking, and 24/7 security to ensure you can focus on what matters most. Now let's step into the future with our one-bedroom apartment designed to inspire your dreams and foster creativity. This space offers a sense of privacy and room to breathe with a separate bedroom, a spacious living room, and a stylish kitchen. It's the perfect space for students, who appreciate a bit more room to roam. What sets this apartment apart is a private balcony. Step outside to enjoy the fresh air and take in the stunning views of the surrounding area. It's a perfect spot for a breath of fresh air, a study break, or a moment of relaxation. These apartments come with a separate shower and a bathroom, which is much convenient, especially when you have guests and you're taking a shower. In the heart of this bustling student community, these apartments are not just places to live, they are the launchpads for your future. If you're looking for an apartment around this area, please contact the number down at the description of this video for free viewing. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you so much. But before you go, please consider subscribing to this channel for more content, to hit the like button, to share this video out with family and friends, and to leave a comment and let us know what you think about these apartments. And until our next video, have a good one, be safe, be kind, and cheers. Bye bye.